5 tips to keep looking and feeling your best as you age. Have you ever caught a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and noticed a few more wrinkles and fine lines than you remembered? It's a common experience as we age, but there are simple lifestyle changes we can make to slow down the aging process and keep looking and feeling our best. So, if you're ready to embrace the following years to come with grace and confidence, let's dive into some easy tips and tricks to make you feel beautiful inside and out. Have a healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet is one key factor to slow down the aging process. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like fruits and vegetables can help you protect from cellular damage that contributes to aging. Whole grains are another essential part of an anti-aging diet. They are rich in fiber, which helps keep the digestive system functioning properly. Fiber helps prevent age-related diseases such as diabetes by regulating your blood sugar levels, as reported by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Feeling good depends on making healthier food choices, such as incorporating lean proteins into your diet. Eating lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and tofu is beneficial for maintaining a healthy body, Ro Huntress, a consultant dietitian, said. Additionally, these particular nutrients can be beneficial in upholding muscle mass, which tends to decline as we get older. Generally, avoiding an excessive amount of processed foods, sugary drinks, and alcoholic beverages is crucial for maintaining good overall health. These types of food are high in empty calories and can contribute to weight gain and inflammation, according to Michigan State University. Get enough sleep and rest. Getting adequate sleep and rest is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance and slowing down the aging process. According to a study led by Elma Barron, MD, lack of sleep can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. It's important to establish a regular sleep routine and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Taking breaks and engaging in relaxation techniques such as meditation and breathing exercises can also help reduce stress and promote restful sleep, mindset coach and breathwork trainer Brian Egunson explained. Discovering ways to effectively manage stress is crucial, as stress is known to have harmful effects on the body and can accelerate aging. Get a facial massage. Facial massages are a relaxing and effective way to improve blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage in your face, Jennifer Levine, MD, a double board-certified facial plastic surgeon in New York City explained. Regularly massaging your face can help minimize wrinkles, enhance your skin's radiance, and refine its texture and tone. You can either go to a professional for a facial massage or do it yourself at home using an eye massager, facial roller, gua sha tool, or even your own hands. Hydration is key. Do you know that water has an anti-aging effect? Yes, you heard it right. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin hydrated, which results in a healthy and radiant complexion, registered dietitian Kieran Campbell, RD, highlighted. Water also helps to flush out toxins from your body, which can make the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Drinking herbal tea can be also a great addition to your daily habits. Certain herbs like chamomile, green tea, and peppermint have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help to reduce inflammation and protect your skin from damage, Bryn McDowell, RD, said. Additionally, drinking tea can also help to hydrate your body and keep your skin looking plump and youthful. So, despite your busy schedule, drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Practice self-care. Last but not least, practicing self-care is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and overall well-being. Self-care can mean different things for different people, but it can include activities like doing exercises, eating healthy, meditating, and spending time with loved ones. Taking care of your mental health and emotional health can reflect on your skin health, as stress and anxiety can cause skin issues like breakouts and inflammation, Joshua Ziegner, MD, Director of Cosmetic and Clinical Research in Dermatology at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York City, said. So, don't forget to take care of yourself both inside and out. Conclusion. By adopting these lifestyle changes, you can age gracefully and confidently, with a glowing complexion, a fit body, and a sharp mind. Making these changes isn't always a breeze, but it's definitely doable with the right mindset and dedication to taking care of yourself. Remember that making small changes, like drinking more water or doing regular exercise, can make a big difference over time. Making small changes, like drinking more water or doing regular exercise, can make a big difference over time. And don't forget to have fun and enjoy the process. Embrace your journey and celebrate every little victory along the way.